Hey guys, what is up? Today's video will show you how to change slide to answer to accept or decline on iPhone. Enjoying our videos? Consider dropping a like or a sub. It only takes a second of your time and it helps the channel a lot. With that said, let's dive into the video. All right, so this is pretty easy to resolve. So when your iPhone is locked in and is it in your pocket or like in close to your body, the device doesn't want you to automatically answer any calls via brushing within your pocket or accidentally bumping into your device. So this is why slide to answer was put in place. If your iPhone is in your hands and is active, like if you're using it, when you get a call, it will show you the accept and decline buttons, just like any other smartphone. So to decline a call, when you get the slide to answer, simply press the power button twice and it'll decline the call. It's that easy. Hope the video helped. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon, and we'll see you on the next one.